You got to check this project out today. I have got an old generator welder that I'm going to try to get going today. Back in. Check this thing out. So thanks to my good friend John, who out of kindness of his heart dropped this thing off one day and said, hey, I think you could use it and I think you could get it running. And so I don't know if it runs. I do know for sure that it fell off of a truck or a trailer or something at some point in its life. So let's take a look at this thing, look at some of the parts, and we'll see if we can even get the engine going today. I'm a little skeptical. All right, so let's check it out. So looking like an Onan, if you can see that. There's an Onan motor. No battery. I'm not sure what this does, where that's coming from. So that must be a permanent, that must have been a factory thing right there, those zip ties. I'm guessing. Yep. That's a factory option. This. Yep. I don't know where they go. No, I've never used a generator welder before. I don't know how it's going to work. I don't know anything about it. And so I'm going to struggle through it. But first thing we're going to do, before we dump any major money into this thing, is we're going to see if it'll start. So let's check the oil. Okay, that's probably not a good sign. All right, let's check the gas. Mm-hmm. Oh. Phew. That stinks. Yeah, it has sort of like a...
It smells like nail polish.
Yeah, it smells like nail polish. So there we go. Let's check to see if it'll even spin. All right, so it's looking like just cranks. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay. All right, so it's gonna turn. So I don't think the engine's bound. So I think our next thing is to put a battery on it. And let's see. We probably should put a little oil in it. I think we're gonna drain the gas out. And we'll do that in a environmentally friendly way right out here in a special way. I won't show you that way because it's a secret. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we'll drain the gas tank, put some oil in it, hook it up. All right, update. Okay, so my first method of just kind of draining the tank out didn't work. What I found was this was completely plugged with some sort of like mixture of like deck stain and maybe some paint thinner, and then old oil from a hamburger. It was full of something. Anyway, so I'm cleaning I had to take the bowl apart and I didn't tear the O-ring, thank goodness. And now what I'm trying to do is get it so that I can get fuel to run through this thing. So I'm gonna work on this, spraying, brake clean, sticking a wire in there, trying not to break stuff. Anyways, that's where we're at now. That's all off. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up because I'm pretty sure it's gonna start. I'm pretty sure. We're gonna see though. All right, clean this up. Sure, it was changed regularly. Let's check it. Oh yeah, it's like brand new. What does this do? I don't know. Okay, so that's it's all moving. Is there a choke? Where would the choke cable be? If I were a choke cable, where would I be? Let's see, it's right here. Follow that down. Right here? Oh yeah, look at that. All right, I'm gonna take the wires off and then we're gonna start getting serious. All right, being that this is a heavy duty engine, I got a little bit left over. I'm gonna throw some 15 weight 40 in here to get it up to the right level. And then I got a brand new battery. It was the cheapest one I could find. I think it was $35. It was on sale. And then we've got various O'Reilly cables, but let's start with the oil. That's fine. We got this. That, and then some sort of tie down, but we'll save that. Okay. First. Go with the shelf. Okay. Probably not put you on yet. There we go. Okay. Who put that bolt there? That's plenty tight. Put this one. Okay. All right. And I'll get my vice grip. Let's try this. Nothing. There we go. Okay, that's start. That's start, run, choke. There. Probably don't need to choke it. Okay, here we go. Oh, baby. Okay, we got positive spinach. Let's check it again. Here we go. Okay. All right, I think she needs a little fuel. Okay, I got heavy duty gear oil. That's what. No. This is just two cycle mix for my chainsaw. Let's see if this works. There we go. Yep. All right. Choke. Yep. Here we go. And. She wants to run. She wants to run. Okay. we go. Maybe she wants to choke. There we go. Choke. Fuel. Hot dog. Okay. Put the gas tank on, fill her up, see if we can get her to run. Woo! All right, no airlock. It's flowing. Close it. One turn for good measure. Any leaking? Nope. Perfect. Okay. I was gonna throw a little bit of Berryman in there, right in the gas tank, just to kind of help to clean it up. I think I'm gonna have to bottle feed it for a couple of minutes, but I think this is gonna work. A little bit of that. There we go. There we go. Oh, yeah. That'll fix her. A little bit of perfect. All right, let's start her up. Let's see if it has any electricity, if it's making electricity or not. Right, see. All right. Hey, she works. The motor works. It's producing enough electricity to power a welder, to power a grinder. I can power a grinder and a drill at the same time. So next stage is to see if it'll actually weld. So we're gonna go ahead and set that all up here in just a snap. No, we're not gonna do that. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get that set up, drive it around, get it to our table, and we're gonna try to make a couple. I got Charlotte, she's gonna drive it around for us. Okay, here we go. Let's see how we hook this up. I'm not sure.
So, we can get it to 200, go high power.
This one I'm guessing goes up here, and I'm thinking I want to run it probably. Okay, so what is what? So is this? So if I go this medium,
It'll probably like not be as bad.
so that goes medium.
Oh yeah, so it'll go like that high. But if you go high, it'll go this like high.
Let's just plug it in right here.
Okay.
Let's see what this does.
And then you flip it to weld.
And then this goes to weld, but we'll do that. We need to fix that too. But let's go power. We'll start it. See if this works. Okay.
Can I try to start it?
No, I'll start it. All right, I'm just gonna try some 6013. Try that out, see if it works. All right, so it worked. We welded. I just have to remember a couple things. When you want to weld, you have to click it to weld right there.
And then you gotta turn it high.
Then you got to do this. And then it locks it in place. It's just no automatic acceleration. But let's check the weld out a little bit closer. It's not perfect. I think it's moving. It's really, really hot. So I'm gonna have to change. I'm gonna have to mess with it. It's 6013, so it should be like a, what is that? Convex. So like, should be building, but it's just like blowing. So, but I will have to say, it works pretty good. I'm pretty happy. Thanks again, John, for the project. And we're gonna have to do something to it. I got to do something with it. I'm not sure what I want to do with it. It needs something. Maybe an exhaust system, or maybe we just pipe it. Just go straight up, right out of the exhaust. I don't know. So thanks for watching this episode of Surf and Turf Family Adventures. See you on the next one.